This is Matt, and this will be a quick video on how to manage credit cards on Amazon Audible. So right here on my Amazon Audible account, I'm logged in through my Amazon account, which you'll need to be logged in, of course, to see the credit cards that you currently have added. So to find the main settings, we come up to the very top where it says hi. We have hi. Mine currently says hi, Mr. for some reason with no name. And we'll show you membership level here. So you see I have Audible Premium Plus. So to find the main settings, we will click on View Membership Details. This will open up the main membership details. It will show you your credits, when your next billing date is, how long you've been a listener, so on and so forth, right here. Now, about halfway down in the sidebar, under View Membership Details, we have Manage Credit Cards. So we click on Manage Credit Cards. Now, once that's opened, we can delete cards from here. You'll see basically all of the credit cards are associated with this account. Normally, this will be associated directly from your Amazon account, as obviously Audible is an Amazon company. So you can delete cards from here just by hovering and clicking delete. We can edit if a card needs to be updated for the expiry date or something. We can edit right there. And of course, we can add a new card as well. If you want to add a new credit or debit card, it's not just credit cards. It says credit cards here, but it's actually payment methods. So these can be debit or credit cards. Whether you're in the UK, whether you're in the US, or wherever you are, you will do the same process right here to add, to delete, or to edit. That is how you will select and change your payment methods, how you manage credit cards or debit cards in Audible. Hopefully this video has been useful for you. If it has, drop this video a like, it really helps us, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.